Chronic eye discharge in dogs can cause unsightly discoloration of the hairs at the corner of the eyes. This particular condition predisposes them to an inappropriate flow of tears, which can overflow above the eyelids and color the coat as a result of the action of a pigment contained in the tears called porphyrin. Of course, the coloring will be all the more marked if the coat is clear. This staining can be associated with a bad odor resulting from the maceration of damp hair. If your dog has long hair and they are stuck to the corner of the eyes, cut them gently or have them clipped by your groomer or your veterinarian. You have to be careful in this step so as not to hurt the animal because the skin under the hair can be very irritated. To remove these brown traces, you must regularly clean your pet's eye with a suitable eye cleanser which has a pH close to that of tears, or by using physiological serum. Use non-woven compresses for cleaning so as to avoid creating additional irritation. Cleanse at least twice a week. Avoid cotton, which can leave fibers and cause irritation. If the symptoms persist, consult your veterinarian so that they can make an accurate diagnosis of the cause of the discharge, which may be the result of an obstruction of the tear ducts that drain tears, chronic irritation due to badly positioned eyelashes, or a walling of the eyelid called entropion. Your practitioner will suggest a surgery if necessary to correct the cause of the discharge. Remember that if your pet keeps its eyes closed, it is a sign of pain. You should consult your veterinarian as soon as possible, because it may be a corneal ulcer or a foreign body, which can have serious consequences if they are not taken care of quickly.